Hi, I'm K. Suresh, and our project is about face detection attendance system. The scope of the face attendance system is the system should is capable of detecting the face and localizing the human images. The deep learning models can be trained to recognize the individual faces based on their unique features. Once the system identifies the face, it can log the attendance and corresponding to the individual. The system can operate the real time, allowing for quick and efficient attendance tracking during events, classes, or other scenarios. The system can maintain a database registered individuals, including their face images and associated information. A user-friendly ecosystem interface can be developed to interact with the system. The system should designed to handle the large number of individuals and perform well in different environments. Since the system deals with sensitive information, the robust security must be provided and security for the data should be ensured. The deep learning models can be computationally intensive, and here we are going for the code. Firstly, we are importing the OS. The OS is help us to read the file and edit the files. Here we are importing the CSV. The CSV is a file which contains the information about the data set, and here we are importing the date and time. The date and time is used for recording and printing the actual and live date and time. And then from CV2 we are importing the face classifier. The face classifier is used to detect the faces, and here you are importing the tkinter as tk. It is used to provide the graphical user interface, and from tkinter we are importing the message box which is used to display the messages, and from python imaging library we are importing the image and image tkinter. Here we are importing numpy as np, which provides the logical and mathematical functions to the user, and we are importing threading to simultaneously execute multiple processes. And from tensorflow.keras we are importing the image to array. It will convert the image to array format, and from this tensorflow we are importing the model from json. It will be acting as the input for our neural network. Here I am again explaining about the logout user button. When this function called, it displays a logout successful, and it will destroy the all windows. Here window equals to tk.tk will create the main window object, and we are setting title as attendance system. And here we are setting the main title as face attendance system with black foreground and white background with Arial, with the font style of Arial 16, and we are setting as bold letters. The label system that place, it will be placing the label, uh, the face attendance system label at the center, and it will be the anchor. By default it will be center, and here we are creating the button register with text register new user, white foreground and blue background. And it will when we press this button, the command will be generated as register new user. The paddy and padx functions are used to horizontal space and vertical space around the widget. The button login, it will act as same as register. When we It will create a button login with text login, foreground white and background green. When we press this button, the command login user will be passed, and here we are creating the button logout with the text logout foreground white, background red. It's same as width 15 and height 12. When we press this button, it will be passing the command logout user And here we are defining the window width and window size of the face attendance system window, face attendance system login window, and the screen width is, and here we are defining the screen width and screen height, where the geometry function is helping us to place the window at the center position of the screen. Thank you.